What's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Crypto Tips in front of Luxor. This is my favorite outdoor museum. Can you? All right. So, guys, I'm about to piss off so many people right now with some of the data that I'm going to give out. But first, please like and subscribe and check us down below for our CT Club, where you get to see how we are so relaxed during that bear market and this potential bull market that is coming up. We've killed it over the last couple weeks. Okay, first, the halving progress is 68%, okay? We're almost there, guys. Just hold on. We all know what's going to happen after the halving. Traditionally, Bitcoin skyrockets. Okay, so I'm going to go over a reason why there's so many loud bears out there. They're attention whores. Let me show you this. Immortal on Twitter said, bears posts are having 10 times more engagement. Why? Because the majority sold below 20,000 or are still on the sideline, which is very true. They dream with a final capitulation candle to buy. Bearish posts right now are like bullish posts in 2022. Hope. Yes. So I don't care. I'm going to go against the grain a little bit here and say, yes, we've bottomed and we're going to actually explode in the next couple years from now. Okay. Rhett Capital says the Bitcoin monthly candle is up around 38% right now. In short term, people are FOMOing into Bitcoin. But in the grander scheme of the news cycle, this is hardly FOMO. Macro FOMO begins from $69,000 all the way to new all-time highs. Next up, Bitcoin has rallied 47% from the $15,500 lows. And there's some people still waiting for 13,000. They missed this whole 47% rise. Crazy. It's unbelievable that people have literally not dollar cost average like we've been begging people essentially to do during this bear market. And many people have not, but many people have, and they're scoring right now. Next, Bitcoin over $500 million worth of Bitcoin shorts trading positions were liquidated this month as price increased, okay? Next up, Bitcoin hash rate hits all-time highs. Remember when I said when miners were capitulating and a lot of people were like, oh, it's all over? And I said, don't worry about it. It's going to be fine. It's fine. And now we're at all-time highs. Okay, so I'm going to go over my opinion right now. Now, a lot of you that have watched this channel for maybe 2 months now know my opinion on FTX collapse. That was the bottom in my opinion. And I was loud and said, hey, I think this is the bottom. And I got a lot of crap. People are like, oh, you're blowing it. It's going to go much lower. But you know what? It doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter. I don't care about this short-term noise. I've never cared about the short-term noise. I've actually never sold any Bitcoin since I started buying at around $100. So, and I'm not going to sell. You know, Bitcoin is the most incredible money that humans have ever created, okay? This is more incredible than gold, more incredible than silver, more incredible than any currency that has ever existed. I know exactly how much Bitcoin is being printed today in existence. Unlike Jamie Dimon, who thinks once it hits 21 million, Bitcoin's going to keep going on and on. He doesn't understand cryptography, and he definitely doesn't understand math either. So with that said, just relax, enjoy the show, dollar cost average, and if you want to see what we are doing, the link is down below for CT Club. All right, that's all. Please enjoy the view. I will talk to you guys soon.
So behind the scenes again, Crypto Tips. Valley of the Kings. Got a king right there. I think I hear people coming.
We got this all to ourselves, guys.
Yeah.
All to ourselves. So the key here is
go where the people aren't going.
go where the people aren't going.
And carry some small change with you.
Small change, and you know, because
and say thank you.
Yeah, and say thank you. That's it.
Yeah. So we're down
Don't take
in
Bitcoin.
the tomb.
Yeah.
They don't take Bitcoin. Not yet.
Not yet. But what is this?
Forget the name of this tomb, Toby. But It's one of the biggest and most impressive ones we've seen so far. It's crazy, and there's no one here.
Valley of the Tombs here, guys.
Valley of the Kings.
Or Valley of the Kings. And
Don't worry, the queens are coming next.